This center is a beacon of innovation, collaboration, and discovery for both the academic community and beyond. As you know, UKZN has long been recognized as a leading institution of research excellence and innovation, both nationally and internationally. Our scholars and scientists have made significant contributions in diverse fields, from advanced materials and computational sciences to the health sciences and, of course, environmental sustainability. The establishment of this Center for Quantum Computing and Technology amplifies our commitment to the cutting-edge research and to cultivating a vibrant intellectual ecosystem that fosters innovation at the highest level. Now, quantum computing is a very big term to many people, but what happens in an academic environment is that it requires a multidisciplinary approach and a rich collaborative environment that will help to embed within the UKZN research culture. Over the past years, we have built strong research groups that specialize in quantum information sciences and quantum materials. These groups have already produced seminal work and have been published in top scientific journals, contributing to the global dialogue on this emerging technology. This center will provide state-of-the-art infrastructure that will include quantum processors, simulators, and advanced analysis platforms that will empower our researchers. It will serve as a hub for training the next generation of quantum scientists and engineers, equipping them not just with technical skills, but also with the critical thinking and creativity essential for pioneering innovations. Moreover, UKZN has forged strategic partnerships with leading academic institutions, government entities, industry players, and international collaborators that will advance our quantum technology. These partnerships enable us to translate our research into real-world applications, from improving cybersecurity protocols to enabling breakthroughs in drug discovery and optimizing complex structures. The potential impact of this technology in South Africa and the African continent cannot be overstated. Here at our University of KwaZulu-Natal, we are committed to ensuring that our work contributes to inclusive technological advancement, capacity building, and socio-economic development that benefits all of society. As we inaugurate the center today, I encourage all of you, especially our researchers, our students, and our partners, to embrace the spirit of curiosity and collaboration. Let us work together to unlock the transformative power of quantum computing and to position the University of KwaZulu-Natal as a global leader in this dynamic field.